High above us, something invisible protects us. It is called the ozone layer. This layer is like a shield. It stops harmful rays from the sun from reaching the Earth. Without it, life on Earth would be very difficult. Plants would die. Animals would get sick. It is very important to protect the ozone layer. The ozone layer is made of a special kind of oxygen. It is constantly being created and destroyed. This is a natural process, but in the last century we have been destroying it faster than it can be replaced. The Industrial Revolution brought factories and machines. These factories made many things we use every day, but they also released harmful chemicals into the air. These chemicals are called CFCs. CFCs were in refrigerators, spray cans and other products. CFCs are very stable. They float up to the ozone layer and stay there for a long time. In the stratosphere, CFCs break down and release chlorine atoms. One chlorine atom can destroy thousands of ozone molecules. This creates a hole in the ozone layer. Scientists started noticing something was wrong in the 1970s. They found that the ozone layer was getting thinner. In 1985, a large hole in the ozone layer was discovered over Antarctica. This was a major wake-up call. The world took notice. People were worried about the effects of ozone depletion. Skin cancer rates were increasing. There was also concern about damage to plants and animals. As Section 4, working together to heal the ozone. In 1987, world leaders came together. They signed an agreement called the Montreal Protocol. This agreement was a big step forward. It aimed to phase out the production and use of ozone-depleting substances like CFCs. The Montreal Protocol is considered a huge success. Countries around the world worked together. They found alternatives to CFCs. Slowly, the ozone layer began to recover. Section 5, new dangers, same ozone. The ozone layer is slowly healing, but we are not out of the woods yet. New challenges have emerged. Some countries are not following the Montreal Protocol. Illegal production and trade of CFCs still occur. Climate change is also a threat to the ozone layer. We need to keep working together. We must protect our planet and ensure a healthy future for everyone.